Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup. For today's video, I have to mention that it's the third day since I've posted my first video and I've got such a tremendous response. It already has over 1.1k views. This number might seem small to you, but to me it's a huge deal because I did not expect 1,000 views on my first video itself. Other than the views, I've received so much love and appreciation from all of you and I'm so grateful for that. Ever since I posted the first video, my family and I were really very happy and I just hope to get this kind of support in future as well. With the same excitement and happiness, I am back with another makeup video. I've done a traditional makeup today and it's a very impromptu video. I just got the idea like literally a few hours ago and I'm shooting it right now. As today is like 10th of January and Lohri is around the corner. I know we are all not celebrating it in huge gatherings, but in case you are celebrating with your close family members and you are glamming up, this tutorial would help you out. Okay, so again I've chosen a very universal makeup look that would go with any outfit. Trust me, there are no color restrictions with this look and this is very easy to do. I have tried to break it down into as simpler steps as possible. This makeup look would complement all your traditional outfits. Right now I'm wearing it with kurti, but it would look very pretty with saris, with lehenga. This is also like a wedding guest makeup look, and if you are one of those 20 lucky people who are invited in a wedding, then you can do this there as well. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty videos every week here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off using the Lakmé Lumi cream. I want to moisturize my face, but I also want that glow from within kind of look because I'm going for a dewy base today, so I use this one. Next up, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Primer. I'm focusing it especially on my T-zone because that's the area that gets the most oily and I want that portion to stay matte. Now I'll moisturize my lips, and I already did the eye makeup on the first eye and now I'll do it on the other eye with you. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium to prime my eyelids. Make sure to cover your entire lid, blend it really well and then set it with a loose powder. Here I use the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my eyes. If you don't prep your eyes, your eyeshadow color won't pop up. Now I'm going in with the Nykaa Brow Definer for my brows. I'm just following the natural shape of my brows and making very light strokes and then blending it with the spoolie simultaneously. Keep going back and forth with the spoolie and the pencil until you get the finish that you want. Out of topic, but we are going to ignore the color of my nail paint because I did not get the time to change it. Now I'm using Rose in the Air from Wet n Wild and it's a gorgeous palette to create all kinds of look. Now I took this brown transition color and placed it on my crease and now I'm blending it using a fluffy blending brush. Now with the color that's slightly darker than the previous brown, I'm going to deepen my crease and the outer corner and just start blending it. Going back with the brush that I used previously to blend the two colors seamlessly, and you must blend till your arms hurt. Sorry, the palette went way out of frame, but I'm using the darkest brown that I have and stamping it on my outer corner to give it a little more depth. Now it's time for the most exciting part, and with a flat shader brush I'm going to take this shimmer shade and pat it on my lid halfway through, not fully, and it just looks so pretty. Here's a quick hack for you. If you want to make your shimmer pop up even more, wet your brush using a setting spray or a facial mist or just normal water. Of course, it should not be dripping wet, just dampen it and it would intensify the shimmer. Now I'm going in with a blending brush to merge the shimmer with the matte. Taking a kajal pencil, I'm lining my upper lash line and then I'll use a flat shader brush to smudge it. I feel a smudged kajal look very pretty and elegant on a traditional look, but you can also do a normal wing liner or a normal liquid liner if you want. Now I'll just touch upon the shimmer and the matte shadows again because after so much blending the color does tend to fade out, so you do have to go back over and over again. Now I'm starting off with my base, and for that I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Medium Beige, using it on my dark circles in the spots where I feel that I need correction and just blending it in. You'll see me using this concealer most of the times because this one is my cult favorite. It has a vast shade range, it's very lightweight and it just does the job perfectly. Now I'm going in with the foundation, and for that I'm using the Sugar Ace of Face foundation. This shade is 32 Cortado, and I know it looks a little too yellow for me. I ordered this online and I don't want to waste it, and I know that you guys also go through the same thing, but trust me, एक आधा शेड अगर एक्स्ट्रा डार्क आ भी गया तो इट्स ओके, इट्स मैनेजेबल अगर हम बाकी बेस प्रोडक्ट्स ढंग से यूज़ करें तो बाय द एंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस इट लुक्स completely okay. And to balance it out, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer on some specific areas of my face, and after blending this the base would look completely okay. Since it's a festive makeup look, we obviously want the makeup to last longer, but blush tends to fade away. That's why I'm using a cheek tint here, and this one is from Etude House. It's a Dear Darling tint. Dab it using your fingers, and now I'm just setting my entire face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, specifically focusing on the areas that do tend to get oily. Now I'm going in with the powder blush and I'm applying loads of it. Coming back to the eyes, I'm using a kajal pencil on my lower waterline and going in with the dark brown color on my lower lash line. Blend it in to complete the look. And here I realized that I forgot to bronze up my face, so I'm just going in with the bronzer from the Sugar Face palette. Time for the favorite part, highlighting my face using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Highlighting the inner corners, the brow bone, the cheekbones, and now I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll also apply some falsies off camera. Time for some lipstick, and I'm using the Smashbox Driver Seat lipstick. I know it's high end, it's not drugstore, but it's the mini version, so it's not as expensive, plus it's worth your money. Now I'm using the setting spray from Sugar, and it has a dewy finish. And here I am smiling because I love the fragrance of it. And there we go, that's the complete look. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you do recreate it on Lohri or whenever you get the chance to. So before ending today's video, I need to mention that I know we are all stuck in a pandemic. Makeup करना तो दूर की बात, कोई बाहर भी नहीं जा रहा. But still, I choose to make makeup tutorials because I know watching makeup tutorials is very therapeutic for a lot of girls like me. And if my tutorials help you learn something and entertain you while you're at home, then that's more than enough for me. It's the third year of the pandemic, and अब तक तो we have all learned कि जिस चीज़ से खुशी मिल रही है बस कर लो, and I'm doing what I love, and so should you. So that's why I will continue making tutorials even in the middle of a pandemic. If you did find value in today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and share this video with the people who you think will find it helpful. I've received a lot of love for my first video, but I know that there's still a lot of scope of improvement because I've just started out, and personally I've received some feedbacks also from a lot of people, and in today's video I tried to compile all those and make this video. And if you feel that there's anything that I can improve, please make sure to let me know. And अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पे भी वीडियो चाहिए, then do let me know. I would happily do it. I don't want this to be just a one-way communication. I would love it if you'd interact with me. Let me know what do you want, and I would love to create videos on that. And if any feedbacks, please do let me know. I'm leaving my Instagram handle and the link to my first video in the description box. Please check it out. I guess I've said enough. Now I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
And while shooting, I've tried to broken down. I've tried to broken down very good. That red subscribe button. आपको नींद नहीं आ रही? 9 फ्रेम में बताओ प्लीज.